In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how you can use global edit in Adobe Illustrator. So first, to show you, I'm going to make an ellipse by using the ellipse tool. And then, just so you can see, I'm going to make a couple ellipses here. I'm just making them by hand. Now I'm going to make another ellipse, this one. And then I'm going to copy it using my Alt or Option key and keeping the Shift key pressed so it's in one line. Now, global edit, as you can see, if I select this one, the ones I made by hand, and I'm going to go to select, and I say start global edit, as you can see, it only takes the circles with the exact same appearance. So these two here, which I also made by hand, and apparently I made these two exactly the same as the first one, but these two here, they have another appearance, well, not appearance, they have another size, form of sorts, so it doesn't select these. But now, because we have selected Start Global Edit, and it selected all the same circles, if I now take my direct selection tool and I, for example, change the anchor, so I select it and I drag it, so we get a sort of moon-like icon. As you can see, it changes all the circles that had the same appearance as the one I'm changing with my selection tool here. I can also, if I take this one and I go to select again, Start Global Edit, because I shouldn't have pressed away, and I take my eraser tool, if I erase something, as you can see here, it happens for all the same objects because we just started a global edit. So these two circles aren't affected because these two circles weren't exactly the same as the first one I started the global edit on. So this circle and all these circles were exactly the same as the first one I selected to start my global edit. And that's why everything exactly the same as that circle has now been changed. So if you have things that aren't the same size, look, or whatever, it won't be affected by the global edit. You can go to select and then choose same. And here you can choose what you want as a criteria to select things. And if we say the same appearance, then it selects everything because they all have the same stroke, the same color, and that. So yeah, select same. If you select the same shape, then it only selects these two because all the rest were edited using the global edit. But that's how you can use global edit with shapes that are exactly the same. So you can do so by copying your shape, pressing Alt, and then as you can see now, if I select this one because I copied it using Alt and I go to select Start Global Edit, it will take these two circles. It won't take this one because it's not exactly the same as that one. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative and I hope to see you in the next one.